this is part 2. Oh, this looks like silver, but I bet it's going to be a pesky button. That's all I seem to be getting from this field is pesky buttons. Yeah, just a plain boring pesky tomback button. Oh, shank just went. On to the next. Oh, I got a hoard of 50,000 coins. Over a bit of cack.
I thought I had a flash of that blue colour.
Oh. Was it a pesky button?
Yeah.
I got a hoard here of 50,000 coins.
Have you really? That'd be nice.
Oh yeah.
You dig up your hoard first.
Oh, what's that there? Oh, I got a huge chunk of lead. Huge chunk. And it's got some metal in there as well for some reason. Nicked it slightly. Oh, look at it shining. I'll go for the scrapyard.
And that was what I thought was a hammy, but it's got a shank on it.
Yeah. You've been shanked.
Been shanked.
I've had another look at that bit of lead. I think it's a lead dagger. So the lead dagger will pull out of there. Because it's just odd the way it sort of like got that bit. Really strange. And then it's got a pin going through there. That's a really odd looking bit of lead. Oh, it's a lead cigarette lighter. Oh, what else could it be? Put in the comments below, what else could it be? It's a lead cigarette lighter, or it's a lead dagger, and it pulls. This is the sheath, and there's the lead handle to pull out. What else do you think that could be? Oh, sounds epic. Oh, could be doing without that kind of effort. Oh, I can see it. Ah, it's the other half of my broken shoe buckle. So I can see a hole nearby. I must have dug it up from somewhere around here. Oh, Mark's found a coin, an old one. He's got a few modern spendables as well. Oh yeah, George V. It's got a funny patina. Yeah, the patina in this field is almost like the metal, you know, without the corrosion. You can see the bronze look coming through, which is odd. You don't normally they're just sort of green, aren't they? 1915. On to the next. See it? Look, you still got the
weird, isn't it?
The original metal.
Yeah. Yeah, it's weird.
Ah, we've come on to another field. We were getting bored of the other one. Oh yeah, could be a coin. Or it could be a can of Red Bull. Ugh. Oh, I got a weird signal down here and I've just spotted it. And I think it's a riding crop. For riding a horse whip. You know, for riding on horses. I'll show you it. You see it's like a braided thing there, look. And it comes to an end. Let's pull it. Oh. Yeah, that's what it is. It is a riding crop.
Woohoo.
Oh yeah.
Oh no, don't.
Come over here, Mark.
I get enough of that at home.
It's worn off there. Like. I am a bit of a dark horse. I have been horse riding before, you know, being a country gent. Oh, Mark's heart just fluttered a beat. Yeah, it's a pesky button, but I think it's got a bit of decoration. Oh yeah, little flower. Right, little flower. Tudor rose-ish. A sort of a star-bursting flower. Lovely jubbly.
You can see where I got that from there, can't you? You like see something and you're like, oh,
yeah. Oh, I got a nice signal down here. Whoa, 1234. Could be a tubus muus, but hopefully not. Shallowish. Could be. Oh, could be a tubus muus. I've already had one. Ah. Ugh, it's a tubus muus. Well, Mark's just made an epic discovery. It's a spectacle buckle, but it's got all of its innards, its gubbins. Look, it's got everything. Soil here must be really good at preserving things. Right, we'll get that cleaned up and we'll get back to you. A spectacle buckle still with its internal bits. There might have been a pin coming off there. See the groove there where it would have sat? But it's even got the maker's mark on there. Oh, I see. Yeah, I see. Mr. Icarus. I don't know. But yeah, maker's mark. That's the find of the day. What else we found? Oh, little bit of silver. Little bit of silver. But that is really nice. Lovely jubbly. Oh, I've got a little wheel. A little wheel. Is it a toy wheel? Or some other sort of wheel? It's a wheel. Anyway, it's some sort of a pulley type system. Probably off a bit of a farmyard machinery. On to the next. Oh, Mark's got a coin ball. Can't see an edge. No, it's not that bit. Oh. No, what's that there? No, it's in that bit. It's getting smaller.
It's your tripod is getting. Oh, hang on. It's gone red.
Oh, let's try this bit then. Oh! Well, that's the only bit.
Wait, no, there it is. It was green.
Where that bit?
No, it's
no.
In here. And
it's greenish. It's, I reckon it's a mint with a hole.
Still green.
It's getting smaller. Ah! Is it a tiny piece of cack?
Oh, that's the power of the Knox.
Yeah.
You can find the smallest pieces of tin foil.
Ah, that's it, me lovers. Cream crackered. We're heading off home. Yeah. I'm hopefully going to be out tomorrow just for a little bit, and then I've got to take a day off because I've got to go to the dentist, you know, dentist. But hopefully we'll be back out after that and finding even more epic relics for your delight. Cheers! That's right.
Oh, the rain, it rains all day long. Boat Riley, oh, Boat Riley. And the northern wind it blows so strong. But Riley O has gone.